In a bustling neighborhood, a weekly repair cafe saves residents hundreds by fixing broken appliances instead of buying new every Saturday. A local tool library lends drills and saws for free, turning small projects into bold collaborations that ripple through the block. Community fridges stock surplus food, cutting waste while neighbors plan shared meals and reduce grocery costs. Neighbors swap labor for services, from car maintenance to tutoring, creating a barter circle that strengthens trust and skills. Together, they prove frugality is social, transforming fragile budgets into resilient networks that endure beyond a single paycheck.